Ayan. So I think my presentation is visible na, no? So again, good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining us tonight, no? And we are thrilled to have you here with us. So again, good evening 30 attendees in this webinar. So welcome to the third webinar from First Tech this Independence Month. And this evening, our goal is to activate your Pro mode and unlock all the potential of First MetroSec Pro. So over the next hour, we'll dive deep into the Pro platform, exploring its powerful features and how can you maximize them to enhance your trading experience. Okay, so before we dive in, let me just introduce ourselves, no? So let us meet your first Metro Securities team for this evening. So I'm Joanna Ramos. I'm the Business Development Associate of First Metro Securities, and I am based here in Mindanao. So my role is to help clients navigate our platform. So if you ever seen our past webinar, I've conducted several platform navigation, just like our first MetroSec Classic, first MetroSec My, and the Go app. And of course, this evening, we will be highlighting the first MetroSec Pro platform. So also with us this evening is Miss Hazel Sabile. She is from our digital channels and marketing team. She'll be providing some technical support all throughout our session. So please feel free to reach out if you need some assistance. So again, throughout this webinar, we encourage everyone to participate. So if ever you have some thoughts with you, you can actually share them in our chat box. Also, you can drop your questions in the Q&A Zoom panel, because usually we end our sessions with a live Q&A. And of course, let's make this webinar as interactive as possible. So if ever, I'll ask you to share your ideas and share your thoughts. So again, please feel free to share them sa ating chats. So before we do this, let's get a quick attendance check lang, no? Let me hear your thoughts since you've attended this webinar about Pro Navigation. May I know from our attendees if who here is already using our first MetroSec platform? So if ever you can share your thoughts, because me personally, I actually use the first MetroSec Pro platform even before I started or became part of the company. So maybe some of you here as well are just curious lang. So again, this is the right place for you because over the next hour, we will be discovering what your first MetroSec platform can really do. So let me see some thoughts, no? So I believe naman some of our clients here are using first MetroSec Pro na din. Okay? But to those who are actually new here, let me just have a quick introduction lang of our company. So again, we are First Metro Securities, no? So let me just check my... All right. So for those who are new here, we're glad to have you on board. And we are First MetroSec. We are the licensed stock brokerage arm of the Metro Bank Group. And at the heart of what we do are our core values, that is integrity, teamwork, and passion. Our vision is to become the largest and most trusted investment solutions partner in the Philippines. And our mission is to empower individuals and institutions, just like you, our attendees tonight, to reach your financial goals and make the most of your investments. And now, we at the Business Development or Market Education team, we regularly conduct financial literacy sessions, just like this webinar. And it just means that we do not just talk about financial empowerment, we actively support it. So just for your knowledge, last year, we conducted a total of 614 market education initiatives, 534 webinars, and 236 on-site events across the country. Because in Cebu and in Davao. And we didn't do it alone. These sessions were made actually possible through collaborations with government agencies and also some private companies and academic institutions with one goal of ensuring financial literacy, and of course, more individuals and organizations will be reached through that goal. And speaking of webinars, actually, we've lined up some extra special webinars for for the rest of the month. So we have here, let me just check my slides. Okay, I guess it's showing already. But if ever you are seeing in your screen the remaining events for the month of June, and if ever actually you are already crushing it because we are now doing the third session for the month, but we are just getting started. So there's so much more in store for the rest of the month. To register, you can just simply scan the QR code or check the quick link Miss Hazel will be sharing to you in a while. Okay, so we are actually now diving in our session, but before that, let us check first the title of our MetroSec Pro can really do. So again, this webinar is all about unlocking the hidden features, surprising tools, and powerful insights your first Metro Securities platform can offer. So just think of this webinar na parang did you know session siya, because we will show you some game-changing features that you may have explored before or to others didn't even know existed. Okay, so now let me just share to you our discussion for tonight. What exactly are going to explore, First, I'm going to show you how to navigate the first MetroSec Pro platform. I'll take you on a guided tour. I'll do some live navigation as well so that you can confidently explore the features of the platform at your fingertips. Next, we're going to show you the favorite or our favorite first MetroSec Pro features. We will highlight some key tools, so that I'm gonna show you as well where to find investment and trade opportunities, how to execute trades efficiently, and then lastly, some account management. It's more of customizing your pro experience, so that you can tailor your pro based on your style and preferences. But let me share to you the first trivia, okay? Did you know that First Metro Securities provide 4 powerful trading platforms, and each platform actually is designed to match the different trading styles and preferences. So maybe some of you here are using any of these platforms, but let me just give you a quick description lang. We have here first MetroSec Classic. It is the lower part, left part of your screen. That is first MetroSec Classic platform. It is the original standard site with simple user-friendly interface, perfect for those who prefer clean and straightforward trading experience. Next, we have the first MetroSec My platform. This platform is accessible to all the first Metro Securities clients. Next, we have the first MetroSec Go app. Ito yung parang nasa cellphone, This is more of trading on the go. By just using your device, you can actually get real-time market updates and execute trades anytime and anywhere. And then lastly, of course, we have the first MetroSec Pro. This is your ultimate professional trading platform. It is packed with advanced tools for fast execution and deep market insights for serious traders. Now, each platform, it offers unique features to enhance your investing experience. And then, if you are really serious about trading, that's why you need to go pro. Okay, because First MetroSec Pro is a platform built for active traders, just like what I said. So First MetroSec Pro is the most advanced online stock trading platform. It is specifically designed for the Philippine market, and it delivers cutting-edge features tailored for active traders. It also gives you fast real-time data so that you can stay ahead of the market with instant price updates. We also have live charts and some market depth insights to make informed decisions. And with First MetroSec Pro, you can actually trade faster and smarter, no? There are actually ways for you to trade efficiently with just a few seconds, and I'm gonna show it to you later. And then lastly, efficient portfolio management, where you can simply track your investments and customize your trading dashboard based on your preferences. And let's talk about how to gain access to this powerful platform. You actually have to meet at least one of these criteria, no? Aside from being a First Metro Securities client, you must also have or trade a cumulative amount of at least 100,000 pesos. So that is equivalent to either buying and selling, and also dapat within the month siya. Another is you are qualified to have access sa First Metrosec Pro if you maintain a mutual fund or stock portfolio of at least 200,000 pesos. So if you think you are qualified, or if you just want to confirm no if you qualify, you can actually email our customer service team and ask for the details, and then provide your First Metrosec account code. And accessing the First Metrosec platform is very easy. You just have to open your preferred browser. So this actually works sa Chrome, Safari, and Microsoft Edge, and I think Mozilla as well. So once open, so just head over to pro.firstmetrosec.com.ph. So again, I'll be doing a live navigation of the platform. I'm gonna show you the powerful features and the tools as well that can help you elevate your trading experience. Okay. Let me now share to you the first feature, no? Actually, First Metro Securities Pro platform isn't just powerful. It is designed for an effortless trading experience. Okay, so I have here the dashboard of your First Metro Securities Pro platform. If you notice, it is a powerful platform. Makikita ninyo, there are a lot of numbers, a lot of data. But what makes it great is because it balances simplicity with power. So it makes your trading smoother and more efficient. And now what I'm talking about here is the user experience na din as well. So let me head over to the live navigation, and then I'm gonna show you know how to explore yung user experience natin, just like what I'm saying. Okay, so let me just check my other screen, no? Okay, so you now have here the First Metro Securities Pro platform. If you have an account with us, all you have to do is to input your username and your password. So by the way, I will be using a demo account no all throughout this session. Okay, so you now have here the First Metro Securities Pro platform, now the dashboard. And let me just start with this. Okay, so the first thing actually that will greet you know upon logging in is yung announcement tab. Others actually are not reading on the announcements, but I hope no that everyone from time to time siguro check the announcement tab. This is where we post like yung updates sa platform maintenance, as well as meron tayong follow-on offering and the account updating as well, and if merong mga webinars just like this one. So again, just like what I mentioned, we will be talking about the user experience. So first one is about the customization of pins. So let me just check on my, if it's one. Okay, one moment. Ayan. So the first one is customization of themes. As you can see, let me just activate yung ating annotate. If you just follow this dot, no? Okay. Located at the upper right part of your screen, you have here your customization. So you can actually select, no, if you prefer yung white, and then the gray theme or the black theme. So it depends on you. You just have to make sure no that the interface suits your style and also siguro yung eye constraint. So I'll be using the gray theme all throughout this navigation. Another is we have the back and forward arrows. So just like every browser, meron tayong back and forward arrows. So let me just shift to different pages of the platform para makita natin yung back and forward arrows. So again, we've checked stock, broker, index. If you click on the back, automatic, babalik din siya dun sa previous tab. And same thing with the forward arrows. Another thing we have here is the full screen mode. Now, actually, the full screen mode, no, if you want lang to maximize the platform or your workspace, no, for a clearer, immersive trading experience. The full screen is located on the upper right part of your screen. Ito yung parang rectangle na merong arrow. Ayan. So, I think visible na yung ating full screen. So, if you want to exit, you just click on escape dun sa keyboard or yung itong X na icon sa ating browser. Okay? And let me just exit. Another is the sticky stocks feature, no? So, if you want to track a specific stock, and keep them pinned while you're transitioning to other pages of the platform, you can actually, or we have here the sticky stocks. So to do that, let me go back to market. And then let's select no ano stock siguro ito. We have here Ali. Type in sa ating stock info Ali. If you go sa ating research tab, under company, you have here Ali. If you go sa chart, again, you'll see the chart of Ali. So, medyo loading lang din siya. Pero if ever, yes, we do have here Ali. So again, the sticky stock feature, it allows you to pin the stocks no, you've been checking while you're browsing other sections of the platform. Another is we have hotkeys. So basically hotkeys, ito lang yung ating shortcut keys. Now, we all know that familiarizing yung ating hotkeys or shortcut keys will make your trading experience effortless. Mabilis lang siya, yung mga transition. So to do that, you just have to click this keyboard button. No? So you have here all the hotkeys available. And then if ever naman you are actually using the platform, you'll get familiar na with the hotkeys. Okay? Next is we have here the donut charts. Actually, yung charts, yun yung makikita ninyo sa platform if you go to other sections. So the donut chart actually gives you a better visual breakdown of the data you are checking. It allows you to read easy graph and as well as to analyze trends more effectively. So as you can see sa ating sidebar, meron tayo ditong donut chart of the PSEI. So basically, yun yung ating user experience. And last of it, we also have pala yung ating portfolio glance. Now, the portfolio glance is located at the upper right part. If you check this one, and then if you click, you'll have access to your portfolio in real time. So if you want to check lang your total portfolio, your day profit and loss, and other details, just head over sa ating portfolio glance. You can actually hide this one if you want yung full screen no, of your platform or the market tab. And then another one is we have the ticker. Actually, the ticker is accessible lang kapag open ang market. So ito yung red, green, and yellow numbers no, going to the left. So since the market is closed, we'll just close this one. Okay? And then we also have here yung ating trade calculator. Now, the trade calculator allows you to calculate yung inyong trades. If ever you are planning to buy and sell a stock, you can actually explore the trade calculator. So to do that, you have here ComRate. Input nyo lang 0.0025. You leave the minimum commission alone. And then say you are planning to buy a stock. So we have here, sabihin nating Monde. Monde, so input the stock code and then the quantity. So say you are planning to buy 10,000 shares of Monde and then the price. So yung closing price ni Monde is 7.19. So sabihin natin you're planning to buy at 7.19 na din. So you have here breakdown no, of your gross and then the commission and then your net. And then if ever naman, gusto niyo na siyang ibenta, say you've reached na the target price, sabihin natin your target price is at 8 pesos, So you now have here a figure of your net profit and your equivalent percentage gain. Now again, the numbers presented we have here, they are only indicative. The exact and official values are presented in the confirmation advice, that is yung sa ating trade tab, which we will explore later. Okay, so again, those are some user experience enhancement, no, para at least you can have a smooth and efficient access sa ating platform. Another is we have also here yung quick button for the buy and sell. Say gusto ninyong bumili ng stock right away or magbenta, so you can actually click this buy and sell button. Another we have here is yung ating profile. So if you just want to check, no, say you forgot your account, actually access profile tab. So you also have here the details of your last login, as well as if you want to change your password. And then we have here below yung ating alert settings. We are actually working on the alert settings and the account maintenance para at least if your account is already due for updating, you can do it through the platform na. If ever naman up na siya, so we will be sending a notice din naman para convenient na for you clients to do the updating. Okay? Ayan. So basically, yun yung ating first feature of the app, which is yung user experience. So moving on sa other features, no, let's go here sa ating sidebar. So actually, we have first the index, no. Under index, you will just have a quick glance of what happens sa PSEI. So the performance of the market, yung ating laggards, no, and then as well as yung mga advancers natin. So you have here the total value turnover if you want to check the stocks that went up, that went down, and change, and the rest. We also have here quick glance of the local and foreign participation. You would be able to identify from here then if the locals are net buyers or net sellers pa. Below naman, you have a quick glance of the performance of the PSEI and the sub-indices. On the next page, you just click this button, no, sa baba. So you have here the top 5 gainers, worst losers, and most active. So you can actually have a quick glance of these details through the sidebar. You can actually hide sidebar by clicking this, no, sa upper right part ng screen. If you want to appear it naman, so click nyo lang ulit. Okay, next is we have the watch list. So again, all of the platforms of First Metro Securities, you can actually build up to 5 watch lists, no, with 30 stocks per watch list. Now, depende na sa inyo kung ano yung stocks na ilalagay ninyo sa watch list. Say watch list number 1, portfolio ninyo ba? Or watch list number 2, are your REIT stocks? And then, depende sa inyo. So if ever you want to add a stock, all you have to do is to click edit and then input the stock code. So sabihin natin GFC. You just have to click the plus sign and then here GFC is at number 1 kasi by alphabetical order siya, and then click done to save. Now if you want to delete, click edit and then click this red circle icon and then click done. Okay, so that's how you do it. The watch list as well is integratable sa other parts ng ating platform, which I will show later how to do that. So that's our sidebar. Let's go naman sa ating right strip. Now the right strip, this one, you can have it visible now by clicking this right strip icon. Sa right strip, you have quick trade. So aside from the buy and sell button located sa upper right part ng screen, you can actually do quick trade from here. So just select no the type of order, input the stock code. So sabihin natin C, and then the volume. If you are not familiar of the board lot, click nyo lang yung drop-down button. And then the price. So ano na bang price ni JFC natin ngayon? So sabihin natin this one. Best price na is 226. And then set the expiry, good till day. You have here the value of the stock. If you hover your mouse, you will see the charges breakdown. And then if you are okay with the order or the transaction, you just have to click buy and then input your password to confirm. Okay, if ever naman you want to check the order, just click yung view orders. Next is the portfolio. So this one is a demo account lang. So wala kayong makikitang data. But if you are using your platform, you will actually see another donut chart, no, of your total stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and cash as well. Okay, so I'll just hide yung ating right strip so that we'll have a maximum view, no, ng ating market tab. Okay, so basically yun yung ating left, so sidebar and the right strip. Now, moving forward sa ating market tab, under market tab, you will basically see, no, what happens sa market, in-depth market performance, and then if you want to check yung mga multiple bid and ask, you can actually do it here. So first one under market section is we have the multiple bid and ask. So from the name itself, multiple bid and ask, you will be able to view 3 or 5 levels of the multiple bid and ask ng isang stock. So by default, the platform shows you the 5 levels, no, of this data. However, you have the option lang to view yung top 3. So kunwari, you just have to click these 3 levels na icon. Okay, so you now have here yung 3 levels of the bid and ask. And also, if you check on these numbers, no, yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ito yung pages, depende na sa number of stocks you are checking. Kasi I think the limit here is 30 lang. And then, if you click this plus sign, so this is the more, no, you can actually choose the data you wanna view. So, ito yung sinabi ko kanina, the watch list is integratable sa other parts ng platform. An example is itong sa multiple bid and ask. So, you can check or see lang the multiple bid and ask of your watch list ba or of your portfolio. We also have here yung predefined. So, ito yung ating PSEI and the sub-indices. So, say if you want to check the multiple bid and ask of our PSEI stocks, so ito na sila. Okay? Another is if you want a more compact view, so ito yung ating 3 columns, pero if ever naman you want yung 2 columns lang, so you can check these 2 columns. Next is yung bid and ask. So basically, instead, dun sa kabila, you have seen the multiple bid and ask. Pero sa ating bid and ask, yung top lang na bid and ask transaction. So you have here as well other details, yung last price, price difference, percentage change, and other data. And also, you can view, no, depende if you want it yung custom based on your watch list or your predefined. Another is the stock quotation. So this is yung naririnig natin na previous, open, high, and low. So you can access it here sa ating stock quotation tab. And additional details na din like yung price difference, yung last price, and then ito sa percentage change, total volume, value, and number of trades. Good thing is you can actually sort this one, no, depende na sa data that you want to check. So sabihin natin you want to check the stock under your watchlist number 1 with the total or the highest volume, no? So, lang yung column. So, we have here MRC. Okay, so basically, yun yung ating stock quotation. Next is we have flows info. You will just see here yung local and foreign participation, kung anong stock, yung kumbaga top foreign bought or sold, as well as yung local transactions. Okay, and next we have here market pressure. So under market pressure, you will see 2 details. First, price range, no? Let me just change it to predefined yung stocks natin under PSCI. First is price range. You will just see the highest of the stock as well as the lowest price and yung kanyang closing price. So from here, Ayala Corporation, yung kanyang lowest price is 561, highest price is 578.50, and then the closing price is 561. And then, beside, you will see yung top 5 volume na bid and ask. Kumbaga, quick glance lang for you to identify if yung stock na yun is top sold ba or bought. Okay? So basically, yun yung ating market tab. Again, what happens sa market? If you want to check, no, so just access yung market tab. Next is yung ating stock tab. So this is more of stock specific. If you want to check kung ano yung nangyari sa isang stock, lives to market action, so you can actually explore stock tab. Okay, first one is stock info. By default, you will see the top 10 levels of the buy and sell or the bid and ask of the stock. However, you have the option to view yung top 5 lang, which is you just have to click yung top 5 beside the top 10. You also have the option no, to view yung mga nasa normal transactions or yung ating odd lot market. Okay? And then you have here sa baba yung time and sales transaction. And then the disclosures and company news as well. If you want to read no or check what drives the stock, no, kung ano yung mga catalyst kung bakit siya tumaas at saka bumaba, you can actually explore the disclosure and the company news. Another is we have sa right side yung price quotation natin. So we have here the number. This is the closing price of JFC. Now, if you want to check no the all of the posted price levels, you can actually explore full depth, this one. So full depth, it allows you to view all of the posted price levels for both buying and selling. So you can check here kung ano yung lowest price na and at the same time yung highest trading price. Okay? The order book naman, it gives you an idea, no? Because it breaks down each price level and then it breaks down into individual orders, letting you know exactly how many shares are queued at each point. So going back, sabihin natin, let's check lang. For JFC, dito sa ask, you have a total ask volume of 15,080 with 4 ask number of trades na apat. Okay, so if you go here sa order book, you will see the total of the ask volume no should be yung nasa 15,000. So let's check. Medyo loading lang siya. Ayan, okay. So if you total the 226 price levels order no, yung ask volume should be equivalent to the 50 nga yung number of trades. So we have here 4 price entries. Okay, so if you want lang to check of the number of shares no per entry or each price point, you go sa order book. Okay, and then next we have here time and sales. So basically, you will just see yung mga time and sales transactions, kung anong time siya na-execute, sino yung buyer and seller, basically yun yung ating brokers. And then if the transaction is from local or foreign. Next is we have the volume review. So again, the volume review, it gives you a more precise snapshot of the stock's average price, factoring in trading volume. So actually, big investors are using or relying on VWAP because it helps them assess whether their trades are well executed. So another tip or a tip actually to maximize yung volume weighted average no is to avoid buying too far or above the volume weighted average or selling below volume weighted average. Para at least you can just stay close to this level no para you can optimize your trades. Okay, next we have the buyers and sellers. So basically you will just see yung mga brokers na nag-execute ng trades no for that specific stock. So if you want to check lang yung market movement. Okay, so that's it. That's the stock info tab. It's more of stock specific. Next is we have the broker tab, which basically just shows you kung ano yung trend ng inyong favorite broker. Say you are following a specific broker, if you want to check their activity, kung anong stock ba yung top bought or sold doon, so you can actually explore the broker tab. So under broker rankings, rank of the brokers listed, no? And provide you the total value, both values value, as well as yung top bought and sold stocks and the total number of trades. If you click in any of this, so sabihin natin FMS, of course, you'll be redirected sa broker activity. So under broker activity, you will just see kung anong mga stocks yung top executed under that broker. So again, the broker tab, it gives you a clearer view of broker movements, and at the same time, there are others who consider the broker activity as part of their trading decisions. So again, it helps them spot market trends. So basically, yun yung ating broker tab. Next is we have the index tab. So under index tab, actually, it's one of my favorite of the platform features. First is we have the index report. Now, the index report, it gives you a quick snapshot of the market. It shows you the main index, which is yung PSEI natin, and then the sub-indices and how they perform. And also see which sectors are driving the momentum and where the action is happening. So from the index report, first we have here a line graph, kung ano yung performance of each index. You will be able to see also yung previous and last price ng index, pati yung kaniyang difference. And then sa baba, you will see here yung ating top movers, top gainers, worst losers, and most active. If we go back sa ating sidebar, dito sa second page, yan. Top 5 lang yung visible. However, if you explore yung ating index report tab, you can see the top 10 and then top 20 for the others. Okay? Next is we have the index movers. Again, the index movers, it helps you spot the biggest stock movers which within each index. It also shows you key details like yung stock's last price. So we have here yung total market capitalization ng stock, yung kanilang index weight, and then the percentage change. This helps you identify which stocks are making the biggest impact. Now, to check the performance of other index, you just have to click yung drop down. So you have here your finance, industrial, holdings, property, and others. So if you want to check the performance of the finance index, the financials, so you have here. Okay, and then next we have the new highs and lows. This is actually a new feature. And then the new highs and lows helps you identify or track stocks hitting major price milestones. So this feature shows that kung anong stocks yung nag-reach ng new highs and lows over two key mainframes. So what I'm telling about the two key mainframes, so we have here 1 month, pero you can actually check 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. Another is yung 12 months, and then here. Depende na sa inyo if kung ano yung gusto niyo i-check. Pero based on this example, under 1 month, so these are the stocks that hit new highs and lows in the last 1 month. And next naman sa 12 months, these are the stocks that reach new highs and lows in the past 12 months or 52 weeks. So parang quick glance lang of the performance then of your stocks. Okay? All right, and then next is we have here stats. So basically under stats, it helps you quickly spot market trends and top performing stocks. So this is where you'll find first, top gainers and worst losers to track the biggest market movers. Next is we have here the most active and the top traded. So this is where you'll see where the action is happening. And then these 4 features actually gives real-time filtering. So you can actually sort based on the day, per hour, 30 minutes, or 15 minutes, depende na sa data that you want to check. Good thing is you can actually export this data if you want yung deeper insights, and if you want to review further the performance or movement of this stock. So you can actually export this one into Excel file. Okay, and then next is we have here analytics. Now, under analytics, this is actually another powerful tool if you want some deep stock analysis. Okay, this is where you will spot first, we have here price trends. You can actually compare the price of, depende if you want to check yung kanyang period to date, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and so on. You can compare the percentage changes over 12 months, 9 months, 6 months, and 3 months, and also yung kanyang year-to-date high and low. So this one, you have the option to check all of this data. Next is we have the volume. If you just want to check the volume statistics for various stocks over the past year, we have 1 month, 3 months, and its growth. And good thing also you can export this data. And then lastly, or next we have here shares. If you just want to check the total market capitalization of a stock, and then some other player buybacks. And also you can apply the custom or predefined data as well, depende na sa inyo. Okay, next is we have here the technicals and fundamentals, because there are traders that gusto nila yung nasa technical side sila, and then meron din naman yung nasa fundamental side. Now, if you want to check on the technicals, we have here yung moving averages, RSI, DMI spread, MACD, and rate of change. If you prefer yung numbers lang instead of the chart, so you can explore the technical side. Next is we have the fundamentals. So again, if you're more into fundamental side of investing, so meaning you're into dividend yield, and then you want to check yung price to earnings ratio ng stock, price to book ratio, and price to sales. This is actually the section where you want to explore. Now, let me also share to you about the technical and fundamental. We have sessions to further enhance your knowledge on these two. We have the basic education on stock trading. This is a free webinar. It's a 3-part series where usually it's conducted by JP and Ms. Moneth. So they will just show you or explain to you what's the definition of dividend yield, price to earnings, price to book, and price to sales. Another is technical, we have the GIFT or Guided Investor Fearless Trader. It is being moderated or conducted by Sir Aaron Sai, our market consultant. It is a class, so you have to enroll. So this one naman is a paid class because it will provide you more advanced trading tools. So you can actually check naman our Facebook or our Viber if there's coming schedule for best and gift. And last, under analytics, is we have consensus. Now, again, consensus by definition lang, we have here this analyst, they will have this average price of a stock, and then usually over time frame siya or may specific time. So under consensus, you will just see, it is being rated actually from 1 to 5, or depend. We have here strong buy, hold, sell, or strong sell. So from this view, you will be able to identify kung anong stock yung may highest na consensus rating. So for an example, under the PSCI stock, so we have here the top 30 stocks. If you want to check the stock that has the highest consensus rating, that is 5, meaning of 5 is a buy or strong buy. So we have here Ali. And then, yung kanyang potential profit is 65.92%. So again, actually the consensus section of the platform, it is one way for you to have an idea on what stocks to add sa portfolio ninyo if wala pa kayong maisip. Kumbaga, you have these investment opportunities available. So again, if you want also to check kung anong stock yung may highest potential profit, so you just head over sa column na potential profit and loss, and then you have here JGS. If you purchase JGS at the price of 18.26 and then you waited for the average target price as per consensus na 33.02, then you have a potential profit of 80.83%. Okay, so you can actually explore the consensus tab if you are looking for some investment opportunities. Okay, next tab we will explore is the research tab. So actually, this is one of the best features of our platform, not only available sa First Metrosec Pro, but available as well sa other platforms namin. Okay, let us start with the company tab. Under company tab, this is where you'll find everything about the company, its profile, its technicals as well as the fundamentals. So under summary, you have here a quick view of its market capitalization, yung valuation niya, and then the first Metro Securities reports if meron. Okay, we also have here yung valuation, the financials. Both of them, you can export it no sa Excel file. And then we have the dividend history if ever the stock gives out dividends. Disclosures as well if you want to check news from the company. Okay, we also have here yung ating consensus target. So quick glance siya if ever kung ano yung consensus rating ng stock. So for Jollibee, it is a buy. Okay? And then, basing on this, yung kanyang average price is 320.23. Okay? Another, you have here a quick glance ng portfolio ng company. If you want to check its board members, no? Or if you have some, yung contact information lang, so you can actually view the profile tab. And then stats, if you want to check yung price performance and the volume activity. Now, heading over sa ating first MetroSec Research Universe, because we do have a lot of research reports no, that we believe is very useful in your trading journey because reading the news is also important. Okay, so let me begin with the first report. So we have here the weekly report. So I'll be changing my view. Let me... Okay. So, okay, this one. So the first one we have here is the weekly report. Now, this weekly report, it is being published every Monday or the first trading day of the week no, before the market opens. Now, this report gives you a big picture of what happened to the market the previous week and what possibly happen sa market on this trading week. So we have here, quick glance lang, no? The market performance, so meaning yung movement ni PSEI as well as yung sector trends, and then yung ating top foreign and buy. Okay, and then next, we have here itong mga paragraph. So the first paragraph actually tells you what happened sa market the previous week. The next paragraph, these are the catalysts, no, or kumbaga, what could possibly happen sa market this week. Okay, on the next pages, you have here, yan. So picks for the week, okay, because we usually have 3 picks for the week, no, for this kind of report. And then on the next pages, you have here some technical analysis, no? So you will be able to identify yung key support and resistance levels. And then on the next pages, you will actually see disclosures na din as well. So again, the weekly report, it is being published every first day of the trading week. Next is we have the daily report. Okay, ayan. So, okay. Yan. So medyo mag-switch lang tayo ng mga screens. Okay, so we now have the daily report. The daily report is being published daily, except holidays, of course, before the market opens. Now, this report gives you a quick daily snapshot no, of what's happening in the market, including, so we have here yung equity summary and outlook. So it's like how the PSEI and the key sectors are performing. And then we have here sa baba yung stock calls for the day. So aside from the picks for the week, we also have stock calls for the day. And then you just read on this, no? So you'll be able to identify kung ano yung recommendation. And then you also have here some global news, yung performance ni PSEI, and then the global indices as well. And then on the next pages, you have news, no? For international, local, and some corporate news. And then on the next pages, the news is further broken down, no? And then you have here corporate calendar. If you are monitoring some cash dividends, some follow-on offering or shareholders meeting. Next is we have your economic calendar. So if you want to check the upcoming earnings and some market trends, so you can actually explore this report. And then on the next pages, yan, yung disclosures na din. Next report we have is the company report. Now again, from the name itself, company report. So this one is company specific. Okay, so let me just share the screen. Ayan. So usually yung ating company report, one pager lang siya. On the next page kasi nandun yung mga disclosures and the definition. So basically, company report, it gives ang aid into the specific company's performance, outlook, and yung kanyang investment potential. So it covers yung kanilang earnings review, say how the company is performing financially, and also some growth drivers, what's fueling of the company, some outlook and expansion plans if ever they have some future goals and strategies, and also some investment recommendation. So whether the stock or the company is buy, hold, or sell. So basically, yun lang yung company report. Next report we're gonna explore is yung technical analysis naman. So if ever you are into the technical side of investing, so the technical analysis report actually provides you or helps you spot market trends. Okay, so this one, I think, ayan, okay na siya. So it helps you spot market trends. Also some technical events, if you want to check lang yung key patterns like yung moving average, RSI, MACD, and some momentum signals. You will also see here yung bullish and bearish signals as well as yung trading opportunities. Kumbaga, if ever you love charts and timing the trades, the technical events report is very useful. Okay, next is we have the consensus corner. So the platform actually has this consensus corner report aside from the one I showed you kanina dun sa ating analytics tab. So the report actually go to checking siya for some investment opportunities. So again, the prices here are based on some analyst ratings and the price targets for PSEI listed stocks. So what you'll find actually here on the report, so sa first page, you have here the consensus target price. So again, these are the analyst projected stock prices. You have the consensus rating. So the stocks are actually ranked from strong buy to strong sell. You also have here yung dividend yield and yung valuations. And lastly, on the next pages, if you want to check yung consensus corner ng other sabihin natin sector, you can actually go to the next pages. So you have here yung mid-cap stocks, and then yung dividend yield stocks, and then yung under property, financials, industrials, and services, and the rest. So again, if you want yung full view of the report compared dun sa under analytics tab na parang ano lang siya based on your watch list and your predefined or your custom. So you can access the consensus corner to check other analyst prices based on some sectors and etc. Okay, next is we have here stock screen. Okay, so let me, ayan. Okay, so the stock screen report actually, it helps you identify investment opportunities by categorizing stocks into 3 key themes. So yung 3 key themes namin, we have riding the flows, unloved, and yield seeker. So let us explore each theme one by one. So we have here riding the flows. Riding the flows, these are stocks with high liquidity, with strong foreign investor interest, and of course, solid earnings growth. So from this report, usually we have 5 stocks under each theme. So we have here Plus, Apex, Manila Electric, and you can actually consider these stocks in your portfolio. Next is we have the unloved. Now again, unloved, these are growth stocks that are undervalued but have strong potential. So they can generate high earnings. Kumbaga, they are cheap. Okay, so we have here Security Bank, Oceana, PLDT, Aboitiz, and Ayala. Another is we have dividend yield, no, or the yield seeker. So if you are into dividend yield stocks, so another report you can check is this stock screen. So basically, these are stocks with high dividend yields and steady dividend growth. So paulit-ulit actually say Metro Bank, CPLDT, and CRCR. Okay, so again, your stock screen report, it helps you identify, of course, investment opportunities by categorizing we have the three key themes, yung riding the flows, unloved, and yield seeker. And then we also have here the Trader's Playbook report. Now, speaking of the Trader's Playbook report, no, we have a Trader's Playbook webinar tomorrow, no, or event. So later, I'm gonna show you again our schedule for the month of May. So if you can register, no, para at least you have an idea on what's happening sa market, so you can join the mid-year Traders Playbook. So the Traders Playbook report, this is a report by First Metro Securities team, no. It provides analysis and recommendations on a specific company under the PSCI. So what it covers is it gives you stock overview. So kumbaga a deep dive company's business, performance, and future prospects. And then on the next pages, you have here yung technical analysis, no? So some insights on the price trends, the key support and resistance of the stock, as well as yung kanilang momentum indicators. And then lastly, going back here sa first page, you have here trading strategy. Kumbaga, just a recommendation from our research team, no? When to buy, sell, or take profit for this specific stock. So for this stock, we have here Trader's Playbook of URC. And the recommendation is to, let's just read this one, no? Accumulate URC once it pulls back to the 38.20% Fibonacci retracement. So if ever you are familiar with the Fibonacci, you can actually apply this one. So that is basically yung ating Traders Playbook report. And then, actually, these are the reports available, no, sa ating platform. If you want to know more about the stock, know what's happening in the market, you can explore the research available sa ating platform. So next, we have here company reports. These are just related reports, no, per company. And then all reports, all of the reports published. So halo na dito yung Traders Playbook, technical analysis, consensus corner, and daily report. Any report you wanna check. Okay, so basically that's our research tab. We are actually almost done. Medyo bibilisan ko na lang kasi we are almost reaching 1 hour na din sa ating session. So we have chart. The first Metrospace platform, we have 3 charts actually, dynamic, interactive, pattern. So let me start with the dynamic chart, no? It is being powered by Technistock. So you can actually customize your view just like the usual charts, no? So we have here, if you just click this one, you want to change siguro candle type, candle chart type. So you can do so. Adjust as well yung intervals. So 1 day ba, or if you want yung mga per minute or per hour. And then the views, actually, these are, if ever you want to save a specific chart, so you can actually save a chart. And then some, you can add some MACD, moving average, and then RSI. So just a sample lang. So moving average for JFC, and then some causations, sabihin natin if you want lang yung 200 period siguro. Yan. So ito na yung moving average. The events, if ever the stock gives out dividends, so you can be able to, you will see kung kailan siya from here. You can enable the dividend event. Okay, so if you want to search for a stock, you just click this magnifying glass. And then stock code, so sabihin natin Ali. Yan, so you now have Ali. So basically, yun yung ating dynamic chart. By default, you will access dynamic chart once you go sa chart section. Next naman is we have the interactive chart. So let me change the screen. Okay. So interactive chart, it is one of the most common charts available, no? So this one is powered by TradingView. So just like doon sa ating dynamic chart, you can actually customize, no? So to search, input the stock code, JFC, and then if you want to change the interval, so you just, let me just close this one. Ito yung mga added kanina. Okay. So if you want to change the interval, so go here beside dun sa ating where you will input the stock, no? So the minutes per hour or per day or 1 week. Change the chart type and then the indicators, no? If you want to check yung moving average, RSI, so you can do that. So this one, this is the RSI, and then you can actually save the chart as well. So there are some tutorials, no, on how to chart using interactive chart. So you can just check siguro yung YouTube channel ng TradingView mismo. Okay. And the last chart we're gonna explore is yung ating chart pattern. Now let me, okay. So this is the last chart we have available, no, sa ating chart pattern. So this one is powered by Recognia. So actually Recognia, meron siyang automate feature, no? So kumbaga it automates charting so you don't have to plot patterns manually. So just like here, we have chart. If you want to view lang yung most bullish chart, most popular chart, or some trending chart as well. And then another is you can use a screener. So kumbaga if you want to filter based on your preferences, no? Depende siguro if per industry ba siya or opportunity type. Either you want to check yung bullish, bearish. You can just explore this one, the Recognia, and specifically yung ating screener. You can also build a watch list, no, so that you can track your favorite stocks or chart easily. And then alert center as well. So to actually add, no, stock sa ating alert center, let's check lang one. So go back sa home page and then choose a stock. So we have here, medyo loading lang siya. So we have Philinvest REIT. To add it sa inyong alert stocks, no, that you want to receive, click this bell button and then select the alert, no, you want, if it's technical event ba or price alert. So sabihin natin price alert. Say if you are targeting a specific, siguro if it drops below or rises above, you just input the price and then you can set a name for that alert and then just set alert. So once the price reaches, no, your specific alert, you will just receive it via email. Another feature of the Recognia is the Learn Technical Analysis. So actually this one, yan, medyo error lang siya. But what you will see under Learn Technical Analysis is meron siyang short videos and quizzes to help you sharpen your skills, no? The videos are actually siguro a max of 15 minutes para at least you can still hone your knowledge whether it's about technical ba or fundamentals. Okay, so basically, yun yung ating chart available sa First Metro Securities platform. Okay, and now, moving forward, since you all have the details sa market, sa stock, you've also done some research, let us go back to the platform. Just check and ayun, okay. Yeah. Okay, so let's now move sa next part, no, of your trading or platform, that is to trade. So you just head over sa ating trade tab. This is where you will input your planned trades, buy and sell. It's actually easy, no, to do. So first, go sa new order tab and then input the stock you wanna purchase. So sabihin natin Bloom. If you are not familiar naman of the stock code, you can actually click the drop-down button. So you have here all the list. And then input the volume. So meaning if you wanna buy a stock, no? So input lang yung volume. You can actually refer sa ating ask side. So from here, you'll be able to identify that the best price is 5.70. If ever hindi kayo familiar sa volume, click nyo lang yung drop-down button. And then input the price. So sabihin natin 5.70. And then the expiry. So we have here 3 options: good till day, good till week, and good till month. Market, normal, we also have odd lot. Yung odd lot actually is yun yung mga butal. Okay, so if you are okay with the transactions, you just click buy and then input the password. Also, you have to review your order transaction, no? So hover your mouse sa ating value tab, and then you will see the charges breakdown. Okay, and then if ever you confirm your order sa view orders tab. And then you can check, no, depende if you want to check by yung open, match, canceled, or rejected. And as well as filter based on stocks, and then if it's a buy or sell. Now, conditional orders. Let me just go back now to our presentation because I'm going to show you one of the key features of our platform, that is the conditional orders. All right, ayan. I hope you can see my screen. Okay, so with the help of conditional orders, you can actually take control of your trades before the market moves. So again, with conditional orders, you can easily set up your entry and exit points ahead of time, helping you manage risk and stick to your strategy automatically. So you have to remember lang kung ano yung mga purpose or the purpose of your conditional order. So usual order, actually, it helps you plan your trades to set conditions, no, that must be satisfied first before your order is posted for matching. And then you can easily execute your exit strategy with less emotion and more discipline. And then lastly, you can buy stocks at favorable entry points without constant monitoring. Okay, now conditional order requires 3 inputs. So the first one is the trigger price. Now the trigger price, it is the price that the stock must be reached before your order is posted for matching. Kumbaga, think of it as your green light for your trade. Next is limit price. So the limit price is the price at which you want to fill your order or better. Kumbaga, it ensures so that you get the deal that you want. Next is expiry. So it's how you're willing to wait for the stock to hit your trigger price. So we have here good till day, good till week, and good till month. Okay, so the two most common conditional orders, or the most common conditional order we have, is stop limit order. So again, this helps you seize opportunities, no, and manage risk by effortlessly automating 2 strategies. So we have here buy on breakout. You set a buy on breakout order if you don't want to miss a potential gain for a specific stock before it breaks above yung resistance na level. Cut loss naman is to protect your profits by setting an order to automatically sell the stock if it drops below your predefined level. Now, just a sample of the buy on breakout. So say you are monitoring or watching stock XYZ, no, but you only want to buy if it finally breaks above its resistance na 52.75. Now, to set a stop limit order, you must first again set a trigger price. Now, for this example, it's 55 pesos. So the system will place your buy order once the stock reaches 55 pesos. Next is you have to set the limit price at 56 pesos. This ensures that your order is filled but not beyond your preferred price. And then lastly, you have to select if you want yung inyong sabihin nating expiry. Good till day ba, good till week, and good till month. Now, if you use the buy on breakout stop order, you can actually automate your breakout entry and avoid chasing prices before it reaches way beyond the resistance level. Another is cut loss strategy. So sabihin natin nakabili na kayo ng stock XYZ and medyo bumababa na yung stock, no? The cut loss strategy, it helps you safeguard your profits and minimize losses without having to monitor the market constantly. So say you were able to successfully buy 10,000 shares of XYZ and you want to sell it if the price falls below the 52.75 support price or support level. Now, with stop limit orders, you can actually first set a trigger price at 51.75, meaning the system will automatically place your sell order when the stock hits this level, the 51.75. And then you have to set your limit price. You just have to ensure that your limit price is lower than your trigger price. So it helps you increase the chance of selling all your shares efficiently. Now, if ever this order is executed well, so yung result niya is you were able to protect your gains and limit your losses automatically without, kumbaga, going back, monitoring the price, no, before it reaches below its support level. Okay, so again, those are the two most common conditional order we have, that is the buy on breakout and the cut loss. Okay, and before that, actually, we're almost done now with the navigation. Let me just show you one more feature available sa ating platform. This one is actually can be checked lang if the market is open. So this is what we call yung ating projected price. Okay, so again, projected price, it is one of the cool feature of First Metrosec Pro. It gives you a sneak peek of the stock's possible opening and closing prices. So this allows you to plan your trades more effectively before the market fully moves. So you can use or access projected price 30 minutes before the pre-open, that is between 9 a.m. to 9:29 a.m. and during the 5-minute pre-close at 3:15 p.m. to 3:19 p.m. So to check, or you can actually check the projected price in the two key areas of the platform. First is the stock tab and some market tab. So let's go to our website. Okay, yan. So the first one is through the market tab. So let me just this one. So if you just follow this red annotation, so market tab, it is beside market pressure. So again, during the pre-open and the pre-close, you'll be able to see projected price here. Next is stock, and then under stock info, beside the stock code. So you will be able to see yung projected price. So again, projected price, it allows you to have a sneak peek of the possible opening and closing prices of a stock. Now, going back to our platform, so we are done with trading. You can actually check your portfolio as well. So this is what I'm saying na you can seamlessly monitor your portfolio. If you have some portfolio in stocks, funds, and bonds, all in one na siya, you can have it here. You also have here some customization as well. So this is by default yung view. However, if you want a combination of the donut chart and then this information here, you just click this one. So you have here a consolidated view of your stocks and then yung holdings sa stocks, funds, and bonds. And then sa baba naman yung details of your unrealized profit and loss. If you want naman, yung parang naka-line chart siya, so you have it here as well. And then lastly, combination of the donut chart and the line chart, you can actually do it here. So you have a lot of ways to check or view your portfolio depende sa preference ninyo. Okay? So basically, that's it. That's how you monitor your portfolio using the First Metrosec platform. Now, before I end, let me just share to you two more things. First one is the account. So this is where you manage your account. So you have here quick view also yung inyong holdings, plus ways on how to deposit, So you can actually do it through bills payment or over the counter. If you want to withdraw funds from your First Metrosec account, no, after you sold some stock, you can do it here. So head over lang sa withdrawals tab. You can check the corporate actions if you want to subscribe to ongoing IPOs, if merong tender offers, and then follow-on offerings as well. And then stock rights offering. So we have, actually this one ended, no? Yung Ayala Corp preferred shares. And then lastly, reports. Documents are also available sa platform. So if you click reports, we'll be asked to redirect to another tab. So you just have to ensure that it is enabled. So again, this one is a demo account, so there are no records available. But if ever you are using your platform, no, so you can access your statement of account, credit memo, check vouchers, also bond related certificates, no, like confirmation of sale if ever you've subscribed to or you shown intent, no, to subscribe sa aming mga ongoing corporate and government bonds. You can actually export the documents as well. Okay, and then account transactions, we are also working on this one. You will be able to see, no, all of the transactions under your account. And then FAQs, you will be redirected to our help center. This is where you will find some related articles based on your inquiries. So sabihin natin if you want to check on the corporate bonds or if you want to check some fixed income, because you can also acquire fixed income through First Metrosec, through either primary or secondary offering. Okay, so you can just explore this tab. Okay, and then lastly, funds as well. So through the First Metro Securities platform, you have access to over 130 funds, no, both UITF and mutual funds. So you just have to explore the FundSmart section of the platform. So here we have FundSmart performance, no? Quick glance lang on how to do this. If you want to check the fund, no, that performs well, depende if you want it year to date, so you can actually go to this part of the platform. You can actually invest in all of the majority of the funds with just 1,000 pesos minimum investment. Okay, so say you are interested in investing in this specific fund. So we have here a fund from Atram Alpha Opportunity Fund. You just have to click on the fund and then you will see the fund overview kung sino po yung provider. Again, so we have a lot of providers, 7 actually. So fee information and then the performance of the tab of the fund, sorry, and then a NAV chart, no, so that you can compare the performance of the fund, the depende, 1 year ba, 3 year, or 5 years. You also have access to the top holdings and fund allocation. And then if you want to subscribe, so just click the subscribe button and then input the amount, again, minimum of 1,000 pesos. And then you just click on subscribe. And then if ever you have holdings in funds, you can actually view it sa portfolio tab. So again, pwede na siya. You can check your investment in stocks, funds, and bonds. Okay, so I think that's basically it. We are actually almost done, no, with the navigation. So I hope the remaining 50 participants was able to learn some insights, no, on how to navigate the First Metro Securities platform efficiently for us to utilize, no, yung ating mga needs, trading needs. But before we end, again, just like what I said kanina, we usually have a live Q&A session. So if ever meron po kayong question, so just feel free to share it sa ating Q&A panel. And before we head over sa ating Q&A, let me share to you one more thing, no? I believe this would be very helpful. So let me check. This is another did you know feature of the platform. We have here, ayan. So we have here a special playlist, no, showcasing the best features of the First Metro Securities platform. So you can check the official YouTube channel of First Metro Sec and watch our former president, Mr. Gonzalo G. Ordonez. In this playlist, he shares his top 10 favorite pro features in this videos. So again, each feature, it comes with a deeper explanation. Kanina, parang quick explanation lang yung ginawa ko. But with these videos, usually nasa 5 minutes to 10 minutes, it helps you understand how to maximize First Metro Securities Pro to its full potential. Best part, you can actually watch it anytime at your convenience since it is being uploaded sa ating official YouTube channel. Now, okay, before we head over sa ating Q&A, no, let me just share to you some key features or details about First Metro Securities. So again, to those who are new here, at First MetroSec, we truly value your convenience. That's why we are a multi-asset platform. So whether you want to invest in stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, or REITs, you can do it all in just one account. So there's no need to jump into different platforms or providers. So with just First MetroSec, everything you need is only one account to just grow and manage your investments. And to those of you here who joined this webinar na wala pang account with us, opening an account is fast, convenient, and seamless. All you have to do is prepare 5 requirements. So that's proof of identification, proof of billing address, proof of settlement bank account, and a sheet with 3 specimen signatures, and then an initial deposit of 1,000 pesos, which is you can fully use naman to invest. So again, to those of you who do not have an account, it's easy. All you have to do is to download the application First MetroSec Go app. Click sign up now from there. 30 days to complete the account application, and then you have 15 days to explore the features of our platform so that you'll get familiar and explore how we can help you grow your wealth. So there's a part of the account opening application where we ask how did you learn about us. So do not forget to input the account opening code PRO, or at least we will know that you came from this webinar. And then another, did you know, you can actually transfer your shares from another firm to First MetroSec without selling your holdings. Kasi ito usually yung dilemma ng clients. They're thinking that if we transfer to another broker, kailangan ba naming ibenta yung aming existing shares, which is not. So you can actually transfer your shares, which means you can monitor all of your investments in one platform, making portfolio management easier and more efficient. So simple lang naman ang pag-transfer. All you have to do is to fill out the securities and transfer form and then submit one valid ID. Now, Miss Hazel will be sharing a quick link on how to, with the guidelines on how to process if in case you are interested in transferring your shares to First MetroSec. Okay, and then stay connected with us even after today's webinar. So just search for the official handle at First MetroSec on your favorite platform. You can simply scan the QR code as well. You will be redirected to a Linktree profile, which gives you quick links dun sa mga social media platforms namin. So if you are interested in some audio learning on the go, so head over to our Spotify. If you missed some of our past webinars, you can check our YouTube channel. So you can watch these videos conveniently anytime and anywhere. If you have some concerns, you can email customer service at firstmetrosecurities.com.ph. And if you are interested in inviting First Metro Securities and the team, we can conduct actually free financial literacy sessions. So just email us at marketeducation@firstmetrosec.com.ph. And again, sharing to you the lined up webinars for the rest of the month. So again, tomorrow, we have the Mid-Year Traders Playbook. So just scan the QR code and register. So we have here one of the speaker actually is from the research team. We also have Sir Aaron Sai and also someone from Ateneo po. So if you're interested, you can just scan the QR code. And okay, so we have now reached our Q&A session. So again, if you have some questions, feel free to drop them sa ating Q&A panel. And then, if ever naman I wasn't able to answer your questions, you can actually share them sa ating feedback form. I will share it later. Okay, so again, we have a question here. Can you export the data to Excel file? For Sir David, yes. Just like what I said kanina, let me share again sa platform. You can export data from, okay, this one. Actually, there are a lot. Okay, medyo dumating. Ayan. So one of the ways is, eto, sa stats natin. So if you want to check the top gainers, worst losers, and most active top traded stocks as well, you can export the file. And aside from that, yung sa research tab natin, you can export the valuation and financials. Not all of the data can be extracted, no, sa ating, can be exported rather sa Excel file. But there are some that can actually help you plan your trades. Okay. Another question from anonymous attendee is the FMS Pro will be available sa app just like FMS Go. For this, actually you can use naman the browser. However, medyo limited lang yung viewing. And given that the first MetroSec Pro platform gives you a lot of data, I think parang better na it's better it will be accessed through a browser. Pero you can actually maximize din naman the first MetroSec Go app. We have a upcoming session again, no, for the first MetroSec Go app. I'll be the one navigating as well. So if ever you can register, I'll help you or I'll show you how to utilize the first MetroSec Go app. Okay. Another question. Hi, from an anonymous attendee, sorry. What are the requirements po if FMS will trade on my behalf? Actually, for this one, we have a online trading and broker assisted. So the broker assisted usually back end yung checking if you are qualified. So I think we can reach out to you directly. So kumbaga, ito yung aming private clients. However, there are some fees associated if you want to trade or if you want First Metro Securities, no, to trade on your behalf. Let me just quickly share to you the fees I'm talking about. Okay, so if you have a minute, ayan, this one. So these are the charges, no, for every transaction. You can actually check this one sa aming help desk. If ever you want First Metro Securities to trade on your behalf, you can refer to these broker assisted orders. So medyo may difference, big difference din siya in terms of the gross value. If ever you are interested, I think you can email customer service, no, for you to learn more about this feature. Okay, so let me check another question. Okay. Yeah. Another question from Sir David. I already have an account before, but it was inactive. May I know how can I revive that account? Okay, for this, most likely your account, sir, is already due for updating. So all you have to do is to email our customer service. Basically provide lang your name, and then if ever you are familiar po with the account code, we can check it from there. So you just have to fill out the account updating form. And then after that, your account will be active na. Actually, di naman siya mawala, especially if you have holdings. Okay, so email the customer service team. We will give you guidelines on how to activate your account. If ever naman you want a password reset, we can do that as well. Para at least you can trade na din. And maybe you are qualified na din for First Metro Securities Pro platform. Okay, so we have here another question. Paano po ulit ma-access yung price projection? So I think you are referring to the projected prices. So let me just share the slide again. You can actually take a screenshot. Okay. Yes, I think this one. So this is where you will access projected prices. Again, during the pre-open and the pre-close. So under stock, it's beside the stock code. Stock stock info beside the stock code NBT. And then under market, it is beside the market pressure column. Okay, so you can actually take a screenshot if ever. So I'll leave the screen on this presentation. Okay, so another question. Okay, so from Sir Paul Aquino, why is the full depth feature not always available po, but only the top 10 prices lang po lagi? Actually, this one, I experienced this one, no? And what I observed is depende po siya sa internet connection. So, siguro, if ever we hope nang the internet connection is good and at the same time, baka na timing po kayo sa closing or opening ng market kasi usually a lot of data is being loaded sa platform. Kaya siguro, pero if ever you still experience this one, please do not hesitate po to email customer service. Baka we can do some back-end checking as well. Okay, so another question is, okay, so we have here from Ma'am Celestina, no? Maybe she has an inquiry but walang response. I'll be sharing po the feedback form, so maybe you can share the details of your concern and then we'll reach out tomorrow sa customer service team para at least they can bump the inquiry if ever, para at least you receive a response. Okay, and then another question, how many days will it credit to your account if you send it online from Metro Bank or other banks? Okay, if you are referring to funding, no, if ever you are funding using a Metro Bank account, usually it's 30 minutes to 1 hour. And then if ever you funded during the market hours din. So usually mga 1 to 2 hours. Pero if ever may delay siya, feel free to email us, no? Reach out to us so that we can check. If ever naman you funded after the market hours, so it will be usually credited the next day or siguro mga before the market opens. Okay. And then another question here, actually this is not a question. Just thank you, London, from Sir Alfred. Thank you for the clear explanation. I have been using Pro for many years now, and this explanation provides more details of the platform. Okay, thank you so much, Sir Alfred. If ever you can go back to this recording, we will upload it sa aming official YouTube channel. So again, actually, we have a lot of questions. Siguro, time check, last 2 questions na lang. How to buy government retail bonds, primary or in secondary market? Okay, if ever for the government bonds, we usually post announcements sa aming Facebook channel, social media channels, and then sa aming Viber community. So if ever, instructions are also shared kung paano. For the primary, so yun nga, you can avail through First Metro Securities, and then if ever naman you weren't able to avail, you can also avail through secondary market. You have to email lang our fixed income, fixed income at firstmetrosecurities.com.ph. We will provide you the details of the secondary market offerings as well as yung sample computation for you to have lang an idea of how much yung inyong possible return. So again, you can avail of government bonds, both primary and secondary, through us. You just have to email customer service or fixed income at firstmetrosecurities.com.ph. And aside from the government bonds, you can actually avail of corporate bonds as well. Okay, so this one, okay, I think, ayun, okay na siya. So actually, we have here a suggestion. So we will take of this suggestion, no? In the future, ipalagay ang details ng portfolio doon sa baba ng view orders button in the right sidebar. Okay, this is noted, Sir Frederick. We will consider this one and suggest this one. Okay, so it's already 7:34. We are 43 in the room, no? So I hope every one of you here who stayed learned a lot from this session. So let me just change my presentation. Okay. So again, this one. So we are done with the Q&A. I apologize no if I weren't able to answer the questions. Actually, medyo madami pang questions. I hope you can just share these questions sa aming feedback form, which is this one. So again, parang hindi siya naglulo. Okay. Ayan. So here, before we officially end, no, let me share our feedback form. So again, if for those unanswered questions, please feel free to drop them sa feedback form. And aside from that, we encourage everyone to take a moment to leave your comments and suggestions. So whether it's for future topics that you'd like us to discuss or maybe some learning experience, no, on where we can improve, as well as if you want some other suggestions na din as well. So again, so just scan the QR code on your screen to access the form, and then you can also access through the quick link shared by Ms. Hazel. Okay, so again, yan, so thank you so much. I am wrapping up our webinars to the 43 attendees staying here. Thank you so much for staying until the end, and of course for your active participation, because we have a lot of questions. So we truly hope to see you again on our upcoming webinars. So again, we have Traders Playbook tomorrow at 3:30 p.m. I think. So I hope we see you, and then invest in knowledge, and also learning is fun, no, with your friends and family. So you can share those events with them, and then let us learn together. Again, everyone, thank you so much for spending your Tuesday evening with me, and for the rest of the First Metro Securities team. See you and have a great evening. Thank you so much.